kind of girl that I wanna be mine. She has a long black hair and pretty brown eyes. I thought for sure she was a movie star, but when she drove right past me in a red sports car, yeah, my heart skipped a beat, my legs felt weak. I said to myself, this I've gotta meet. I pulled along beside her with a gleam in my eye. I knew right then it was love at first sight. I smiled at her and she smiled at me. I said, pull up over, baby, and let's me and you meet. Woo! My heart skipped a beat, my legs felt weak. I said to myself, this I've gotta meet. My legs felt weak. I said to myself, this I've gotta meet. She told me her name and I told her mine. About 40 minutes later I was doing real fine, yeah. I told her that I loved her, it was love at first sight. I said, baby, will you marry me? And she said, alright, woo! My heart skipped a beat, my legs felt weak. I said to myself, this I've gotta meet. Oh yeah, woo, look at that red postcard you got there, baby. I feel like I get behind that wheel. Just a few minutes, just think, honey. Beautiful red sports car like that, all that long black hair and pretty brown eyes, scared me.